Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. I hope you had a very Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. We had the loveliest time. I had my dad, my daughters, my son-in-laws, of course my husband, and that just makes my heart so incredibly happy. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got for Christmas. My husband, beyond knocked it out of the park, but I feel so bad for him. We will get into that in just a moment. I am not sharing anything that I purchased for myself. If you watch my Vegas vlog, I bought a few things when I was there. I will be sharing that in January. These are all true Christmas gifts. Everything was a surprise, except for I ruined one surprise with my daughter. If you watch that vlog, my Christmas vlog, you know what that is. And one thing I bought and gave to my husband and said, give this to me. I didn't ask for a single thing for Christmas and genuinely didn't care if I got anything. I have beautiful things and I just wanted to be with my family. That's all that I wanted. And my poor husband was so frazzled last week and he just kept, I was like, what's wrong? What's wrong? I could tell he was really upset about something. I'm like, is something at work? What is it? And he's just like, I can't take incompetence. I'm like, who's doing what? And he's like, I can't tell you. He finally told me on the 22nd because everybody was coming on the 23rd and we were alone, and he said, I ordered your gift on the 19th and it's not going to be here till the 27th. And I said, that's okay. I said, why don't you print it off and put it in a card? And he's like, we don't have a color printer. No, we don't. So anyways, Christmas, he gives me a card and I assume that what he gave me is in the card. This is hilarious. I have to share this with you. Merry Christmas to a wife who's a lot like a Christmas tree. You're beautiful to look at. And I opened this in front of everybody and it's a little inappropriate. Let me cover his name out. Plus, I like to play with your ornaments. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm blushing. My kids are like, gross, Mom. It was so funny. But there was nothing in there, so I still didn't know what he gave me. As the day wore on, I'm like, it is Christmas. You can tell me what you gave me. He goes, I texted it to you. And I didn't have my phone on me all day, so anyways, my gift came today. Today is the 27th. We unboxed it together and oh yeah, I'll get into that. But first, let me share what some of my other gifts. He got me a beautiful robe. I came in here this morning in pajamas and my robe, and that he got me a lovely robe. I'm very excited about that. My daughter got me the slippers that are in them. I'm going to insert the little clip. That's the little surprise that I ruined because I forgot I told her that I wanted slippers. And then I called her and told her that I bought slippers. And she was like, Mom. And I'm like, sorry, but I can always use more slippers. My sister, I talked about this a little bit last year. My sister and I collect Arthur Court ornaments, and I bought my first one in 2000. And my mom bought every one from then until 2021. So in 22, I bought one for me and my sister, and she's like, why don't we go back and forth each year? So she got the ornament for us this year. And so we're keeping the tradition going. It's just 2023 and it has a little bunny rabbit, but I thought that was incredibly sweet. So next year it's on me and I will be getting her 2024, but I love that we're still doing that. My other daughter made this for me. This is was on my desk, but look at that. It's rose gold little cherry tree. Isn't that beautiful? They are both so creative, so creative. Put this back on my desk. So for my stocking, I pretty much handed my husband everything that I bought in the Sephora VIB sale, and I'm like, just put this in my stocking. I'm like, I just want one surprise in the stocking. I don't care if it's gum, just no candy, please. Just one surprise. He hit it out of the park with everything this year. So one of my surprises in my stocking was a new potato masher, which I had mentioned wanting one of these a while ago, and I just haven't gotten around to buying it. But the biggest surprise in the stocking was this gorgeous sapphire band ring. And of course I will do close-ups. I know my camera does not do it justice. It is in white gold. The sapphires are the most stunning blue. It was in a little box at the toe of the stocking. So I really thought that this was the surprise, and I was perfectly happy with this surprise. I was like, yes, mine is plastic. This one's metal. I'm really a lot easier to please than anybody thinks that I am, but just beautiful. I love wearing it stacked. I haven't really worn it out. Well, no, yes I did. I wore it out yesterday. We went to lunch, but I will put in a picture of the rings that I've been stacking it with, and he loves it stacked. He thinks that's so pretty. So the other surprise that he got me was from Le Creuset, and it is this little, let me put this down. It was this little fry pan, which had a beautiful bow, and he's taken the stickers off, he's washed it. It is a cast iron. If you've never tried Le Creuset, it's good cookware. This is like, you'll have this for life. I got my daughter that loves to cook. I've gotten her several pieces. The other one's like, don't buy me any kitchen stuff, so I don't buy her any, but isn't that cute? A couple of eggs or a really small grilled cheese, and then the scrubber to clean the grill pans and any of the ones with the black coating. Do not use this on the white coating. So the thing that I bought and handed him and told him to give to me is from Longchamp. And I know I said I wasn't going to buy any more contemporary bags, but I didn't, because he bought it for me for Christmas. But this was in their sale, and this is the size small, just the lay pliage size small. This one is canvas. I have never had canvas. I can't see around the bag, but can you see that that's canvas? It's not the nylon material. It has a long non-adjustable crossbody strap, and it's, I mean, for this to be a small, I have several of the extra smalls. This is a big size small, but I think it was like $180 on clearance. So yeah, I was excited about that. And so today the big gift came, as you can see, and I am going to insert the unboxing right now. Okay, let's open it. He's standing right next to me, by the way. He's not going to make a peep. You know how he is. So look at how beautiful the packaging is. How does it open? Magnet. Oh my gosh. So I cannot remember if we were talking or not, because he doesn't like his voice on videos, as you know if you watch me, but he was standing right next to me. So I might be putting the unboxing over me speaking right now, because I cannot remember. But I can't tell you how shocked I am. When we went to Las Vegas, we went to a lot of stores. You saw I got a lot of good eye candy for y'all. And what he was doing, and he had told me he was doing this, but I didn't really take him seriously. He was like, I just want to see what it is that you really want. And one of the last days that we were there, not that we were there that many days, but he handed me his phone, and he's like, delete the pictures of things that you're not that interested in and leave pictures of the ones that you are up. And I cannot believe he did this. It is the Lady Dior. I believe this is a brand new dust bag, because the one I got pretty recently did not have this on it. It is so gorgeous, and it's, you'll see. It is so, so beautiful. You would have seen this in my vlog. I tried this on, I showed it multiple times. I will insert footage of it on me. I'm not going to try it on, and I will explain why in just a moment. But it is a pearly pink, and it is a limited edition. And what I loved the most about this is in the size small. What I loved the most about this is it does not have the ABC strap. I had a small Lady Dior before, and it was the badges at that time. I think they were called Lucky Badges. The strap, as I have mentioned with the Speedy 20, with that guitar strap, the strap weighs more than the bag, and it would cause the bag just to face plant when you were driving or doing anything. This one just has the regular strap, and it is adjustable. Of course, the feet on the bottom, and he bought me this gorgeous Mitza. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. I'll take this off. The reason I'm not going to try it on for you, it came very, very flawed. So I had looked at this, and he was with me, and I was just like, I might get it. I might buy this for myself. Well, they sent me the one that I saw first, which I'm gonna insert some close-ups. It had a popped stitch on the back handle. There were some scratches on the flap, on the outer part of the flap and the inner part of the flap. There was a little mark somewhere else on the bag, and I said, do you have a new one? And she said yes. And these were not even on display. You had to actually ask to see this bag. It was not sitting out. You had to know what it was and ask, and then they would bring it out. It was not on display. But somebody either had long nails or diamonds or who knows what on. So she brought out the brand new one, and it was perfect. But I got to thinking about it, and I was like, I don't know. I told her the day that we left, I'm like, you can take it off of hold. I'm like, I'm not gonna buy it. He texted her the next day, which was Monday, and he bought it. And she said she had not taken it off of hold. But somehow they sent me the other bag. And on the back of it is a lovely pin mark, which I will put close-ups in. I don't know if that's going to show it all, but I called her up today, and I was like, I want you to know, I'm like, you can look on UPS and see when I signed and when I called you. I didn't have time to mess this up, and she, of course, she wouldn't have thought I did anyways, but they are going to overnight me a new one. They're going to send me a label to send this one back, and I feel for him because he was trying so hard to surprise me, and he asked me, because he finally, like I said, told me that the gift wasn't going to come, and he's like, do you know what it is? And I'm like, I have absolutely no idea. I have not made any efforts. I don't want to know. I want to be completely surprised. And when he showed me the pictures, well, when I finally opened my phone on Christmas, I screamed. I was like, you're kidding me. This is crazy. We do not spend this kind of money on each other on Christmas. This is crazy. I was just like, why on earth are you spending so much money? What is wrong with you? Oh, and then for it to come damaged, but we're not upset. It's a bag. They're gonna make it right. I've had so much loss in my life the last 2 years. It takes a lot to get me upset, and material items definitely don't do that for me. So yes, it's so beautiful. Look at the color, look at the sheen. I love it. I can't wait to get the correct bag that is not flawed. I have no idea why it took so long, because I ordered something from Las Vegas yesterday and it came today with this. So I don't know, but they are going to overnight the new one to me. And just to show you the packaging, she gave me the blue, because he was telling her about the blue butterflies that I loved in Aruba. So she gave me the blue bag to go with the gift, of course. And then the box, if I can get it, which is the green. Isn't that beautiful? And then this is the one, I bought myself something really small, and she gave me the pink. So yes, I can't believe it. I'm very I'm excited, but that's why I'm not gonna unassemble anything. I will show you inside of it. I don't want to take anything out. I don't want to, because I'm just gonna have to put it all back anyways and ship it back to them tomorrow. But yeah, I'm super excited. He liked his gifts, and he got the biggest surprise ever. He got a call on the 23rd that he has his second Porsche allocation. If you don't know what that means, it means he gets to build another supercar. So I don't ever have to buy him anything again as long as I live. I already don't. I just open the garage and I'm like, happy birthday, Merry Christmas. Happy you've had chicken pox day. But I'm very happy for him, and he is so generous and so kind, and I love the gifts from my daughters. And oh, my dad, he has probably never bought me anything in his life, because that's mom did that and dad would like hand us all cash. He bought me this beautiful blanket, which I did not bring in here, that says daughter, and it has just like lovely things about your daughter written on it. And I remember opening it and I'm like, it said daughter on it, and he's never bought me anything. And I'm like, I didn't get this for either of my girls. And my dad's like, hello. I'm like, oh my gosh. It was just so good to be with my family. So thank you for letting me share. I hope you have an amazing day today. Take care. Bye-bye.